Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good evening, friends. Actually, my too many viewers are saying that they need source code, and I am not able to give the source code, but I am going to give you the technical detail about the application. And one of my friend, he told me how we can create the form set. Na? So today in this video, I am going to demonstrate you how we are using the form set, inline form set. Form set, actually it is the feature of Django. If you are going in the website, Django documentation, you can see what is the form set. You can go here, advanced, view layer, and I will search from here, form set. Form set, actually what is it is actually when we are creating the HTML form, so we are making a single form. Like we have one form, I show you. This is a single form, or this is a form, single form, na? Two fields, single form I created. All these are the example of creating single forms. But if you want multiple forms, so we are using the form set. This is actually API, and we are using it. We are creating a symbol, one file or forms. Already we are creating, when we are creating the forms, so we are creating one file, forms.py file in our project. So in the same, we can use the form set. There are three types of form set. Form set factory, you can see here. Form set, we initiate the form set, article form set, and we run the loop here, and it is showing multiple forms. Same thing, it extra, how many rows we want to add, extra. So it will put the extra. And initial data, we can also set the initial data here in our form set. So another thing also, we have inline form set. And there are also some other parameters we can define. We can also define our CSS here also. So how we are using, I show you. First we have to create the model. I already created. I have two tables. Now I show you here. Watcher master. It contains the different fields. Primary key, already created backside, automatically ID, watcher number, watcher date, watcher type, watcher posting date, and another table, another model. When we are creating the model, backside it is creating the tables in the database. Watcher details, watcher number, it is foreign key, main account, sub account. And here is actually another thing we can discuss. Already I discussed before, change foreign key, but we can discuss later sometime. Debit, credit amount. So we have two models, master model and retail. So first we can create two models. After creating this model, we can migrate, and it will create a database tables. Second step, what we have to do, we have to create one file, forms. We are already creating the forms.py file. In this file, we can create. I am using the model form actually. Model form actually it is easy for saving the model. No need to write too many codes. So voucher for voucher, you see voucher master model form, which field actually required some bootstrap, so I put extra here. This is another, all fields are here, widgets, labels, you want to find label, and voucher details form, voucher lines. Here I am using, after I am showing exclude is none, and all field I am to select, and voucher line is equal to forms.inlineFormset factory. In InlineFormset factory, what it is doing, it is actually creating master detail. First field, it actually voucher master is actually our model, master model, voucher detail, and voucher detail form. Here we are defining the voucher detail form, same object, and also here extra, how many rows we need, extra 1 2 3. I show you here. These rows coming now, 1 2 3. And initial, how many rows we needed. For example, if I say 10 rows, just for showing you. Refresh. What is a voucher for voucher? JV na voucher. Is this one JV. I say here 10. Now I will refresh this one. You see here 10 blank rows are coming. So extra means how many rows we need extra. So this object we are importing from forms.inlineForms API. Forms API. We are importing the forms from Django import forms. There is, we can import from here like this, forms.inlineFormset factory. So what it is doing, it is creating multiple forms in backside. If you can see here, multiple forms. View page source. You can see it is creating multiple forms, lines. So very simple, it is very simple. After creating this, we are going in voucher, and I will show you JV. Here is the JV. Actually, mostly people are using the FormSet with class-based view, but for my easy work, if I have to, I am feeling more easier in function-based view. So I use the function-based view. So more important thing which I want to show you, that is last thing. JV. This one. JV master. Here you see we are creating the, I created one view here. This view, very simple view, And after creating this view, we have to create the URL like JV watcher create and watcher. We have to create two URLs, one for create, one for card. This is for card, na? One is for create and one is for update. Here actually what it is going the primary key also. So now I will show you the code. Notepad. And show you the code from beginning. We have create one view, watcher create view, and this simple function based view, and here we are what we are doing, we are taking primary key is equal to none. It means this view we can use two times with two URLs, one URL with pk, one without pk we can use. This is actually variable watcher type. This you can use any, this is not, it is only in my system, you can use anything. And initial data we can define here. After that, this is not describable, but delete this one. If not pk, if this pk is none, then what we have to do, this, if pk primary key URL, if the user is hitting the URL with primary key, then they have to do this. And in starting first, without doing anything, what we have to do, we have to initiate the master form set without anything, and context data we are defining this one. It is context data is going finish. And what is doing in pk, first we are watching if it is request.method it is equal to post, send JV master form request.post. If master form is valid, if it is valid, then we are saving the form, master form.save, and create the instance. It will return give us the primary key. Then we are going to initiate the form set. Form set is equal to JV form set, request equal to post, and instance is equal to this instance. Primary key we are saving as here foreign key. If form set is valid, then form set.save redirect to voucher add with primary key. So in this URL here, you see this URL, it is going with primary key. But first time it is not going with primary key. You see here, no primary key, na? Sorry, here no primary key. But when we are saving, so it is coming with primary key second time. So then render request simple. If it is going with primary key, so when we are getting the instance of the pk, and we are watching if it is request is equal to post, and user is pressing this button, post button, this add line, new line, update, post button. What we have to do, we have to again master data with post, and we have to update. If it is valid, save, else form set this one, form set is equal to post, instance is equal to instance, and clean data form set again, and redirect with pk. So very simple this code. So actually due to some technical issues I can't able to send because this is application is commercial application. So Mr. Christopher, actually I am sorry, I am too much delay to you because I have also engaged in data engineering na, in some work. So I have too much records, so I have to manipulate. That's why I didn't find the time, and too many users are asking this source code. And I am still, you see, I am creating the ledger. After finishing, I am creating the ledger also. See here, it is still in the process. I am creating the ledger. So it's still we have to create opening balance here and balancing running balance. I have to create an pagination, all the things. And then after that I will put the. So I don't have enough time, and I have also created some video for Oracle Apex today maybe. So thank you very much for watching the time. This is actually complete code I show you. Logic. You can save this one print screen, and URL you can easily, other thing you already know. You can save. Thank you very much.